Hello, good evening to all. This is Parvez Mahmood, and I have been offering digital marketing services for you for the marketplace Upwork. So, digital marketing consultation is a full service digital marketing service provider. I specialize in helping businesses of all sizes improve their online presence and get more leads and sales from the internet. My team of experienced online marketing professionals can help you with everything from website design and SEO to paid advertising and social media marketing and even graphic design. So I use only white hat SEO techniques. So you can be very much confident that your website will not be penalized by Google. I also offer a wide range of monthly SEO services so that you can choose the right package for your business. Contact me today for a consultation. I have a well-established full-service SEO company that offers quality, affordable services to businesses of all sizes. I have more than 5 years of experience in SEO, backlinking, eCommerce SEO, and local SEO, and I have completed many projects over the years. I know the recent advancements and changes, including in Google algorithm, Google Penguin and Panda, and Google privacy policy. This allows me to provide our clients with high-quality services that meet Google's latest guidelines and standards. And I want to say the areas of expertise of what I offer, that SEO analysis, including keywords analysis and research, market analysis, competitor analysis, business analysis, SEO-friendly content writing, brand ranking, advanced SEO strategy, local SEO and GMB, SEO services for small and medium businesses, what we offer, that Wix, WordPress, Shopify, and eCommerce SEO, and then SEO audit, advanced backlinking strategy, social media marketing, keywords rank monitoring, search engine monitoring, search engine marketing, weekly and monthly SEO reports, technical SEO, etc. Why you hire me? Of course, for professional service, highly skilled in SEO, white hat SEO technique, on-time delivery, well-versed in communication, and what will you get from me? Google ranking boost, gain huge traffic, increase domain, website authority, build brand identity, boost conversation, business growth. What are our services? Yes, digital marketing, lead and email marketing, search engine optimization SEO, and search engine marketing SEM, web design, content writing, graphic design, web-based software, web development. So these are the services what I offer, and thank you very much.